Good morning. I was woken up by big chunks of snow falling off the trees onto the tent. I better go and put my sleeping bag away. I burned a hole in it last year. Don't want to do that again. Well, for breakfast, I'm gonna make biscuits and gravy. I got some hot oil, got some pork sausage, putting in some black pepper. I got some hot dog buns. I'm gonna try to tear them up in little bits. There we go. Flatbread and sausage gravy. That is some good stuff right there. Well, that is good. Oh, that was good. That was a lot of food.